That thing on, that thing running. YouTube, what it is. It's your boy Isaiah Stewart, Ripening Fruit, and I'm back today with another video. Today is January 2nd, and today we have a bit of a side hustle going on. I'm going to be shooting some pictures for my friend's sister, and they're going to be paying me. I shot some pictures for her brothers free of charge, and I did a few things for her brothers free of charge, so she willing to pay me. I need to pay personally, so I'm finna go ahead and shoot these pictures. It's about it's 11 o'clock. I gotta be there at 2 o'clock, so I'm about to eat something. You know, I was gonna watch a movie, but I probably ain't got enough time. I should be watching a movie anyway. I need to be fucking working. So I'm finna go ahead, eat something, watch some YouTube, get ready. 2 o'clock, be there at B Square. I'll probably leave a little early, like 1:45. You know what I'm saying? It'll take me about 5-10 minutes to get there. I'll pull up about 5-10 minutes early. Yeah, man, this shit can be crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all the pictures of her. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna do that, but I'm just making this video, put this video up on my channel, have some content to watch. Finally, one of my videos finally hit 100 views. My finish line video hit 100 views. I'm happy for that. I'm proud of myself. It's slow but steady growth. You know what I'm saying? That video is the only video getting all the attention. All the other videos are just not getting really too much attention, but I'm cool with that. I want everything to be as natural and normal as possible. This is about my 3rd or 4th YouTube channel, so I want everything to be just natural and normal. And yeah, so I catch y'all probably later on today. Yo, it's the next day here, January 3rd, day after the photo shoot. Photo shoot was a success. Made it good. 50. Yeah. I'm gonna keep doing the photo shoots, man. I really enjoyed it. I had a fun time taking pictures. Took some really good pictures. If I could, I would show y'all, but I can't, so I ain't. It was nice, man. I'm gonna try to build some more clientele, take some more pictures, because I took some really good pictures yesterday. Like, I wish I really could show y'all. These were some good ass pictures. But, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Ripening Fruit, Isaiah, and I'm out. Catch y'all boys on the next one.